You think you know burgers? Think again. From the crispy, caramelized science of the smash burger to the 12-hour smoked mystery of the pulled pork, we're exploring the meat, the cheese, and the madness. Don't settle for a dry patty. This is the ultimate burger guide. Explain. If you think a burger is just a thick slab of meat, you're missing out on the smash burger. This isn't just a cooking method, it's a chemical reaction. By taking a ball of high-fat ground beef and literally smashing it into a screaming hot griddle, we trigger the Maillard reaction on a massive scale. The result? An ultra-thin patty with jagged, crispy, caramelized edges that pack more flavor than a steak twice its size. Because the patty is so thin, it cooks in seconds, locking in the juices before they can evaporate. We top it with American cheese, the only cheese that melts fast enough to fuse with the meat, and serve it on a toasted potato bun. It's salty, it's crunchy, and it's the purest expression of fast food perfection. One bite, and you'll never go back to thick and dry again. The Classic Cheeseburger is the blueprint. It's all about the architecture and the balance of 4 pillars: fat, acid, crunch, and salt. A thick, juicy prime beef patty is grilled to a perfect medium, seasoned only with salt and pepper. Then comes the layers. Cold, crisp iceberg lettuce for texture, a thick slice of heirloom tomato for acidity, and sharp cheddar cheese for that rich, creamy finish. Everything is held together by a buttery, toasted brioche bun that acts as a sponge for the meat juices. This isn't a gimmick burger. It's a nostalgic masterpiece that relies on the quality of every single ingredient. It's the burger you think of when you close your eyes and imagine the perfect American summer. Simple, honest, and legendary. When beef isn't enough, we enter the territory of the beast burgers. First up, the pulled pork burger. This isn't a patty, it's a mountain of pork shoulder smoked for 12 hours until it practically melts. It's shredded, tossed in tangy barbecue sauce, and topped with crunchy coleslaw to cut through the richness. It's a texture explosion, soft, sweet, and smoky. But if you want true madness, look at the multi-patty monster. These are the Instagram burgers, stacked with 3 or 4 patties, layers of crispy bacon, fried eggs, and even deep-fried onion rings. It's a test of physics and your appetite. While it might be hard to fit in your mouth, the combination of different fats and salts creates a sensory overload. It's the final boss of the backyard barbecue, and it's not for the faint of heart.